Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your screen timeout go infinite on your REALME C25s. As you can see, if we go to settings, find display and brightness and scroll down, auto screen off, the maximum timeout is 30 minutes. But I'm gonna show you how to do it for infinite. So you go to Google Play Store, search for Caffeine. You write it like this, Caffeine. And it's this app. You press install. Open. Don't show again. And here is the setting called timeout. You press on it. And from here you'll be able to choose for how long your screen display will time out. If you want infinite, of course select infinite. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.